Hi all, Steve from Poolworks with another training video for you. In this video we're going to be completing a purchase order and we'll get right into it. So from your home page or wherever you are, hover over transactions, come down to purchases, enter purchase orders. You can have a look at the list over here for those that you've done previously and you can create a new one from that page, or we can just click on enter new or enter a purchase order here and that'll take us straight there. Don't forget you can click over the star and add that to shortcuts if you're wanting to have this page ready available for you at any time. So what we need to do is just start with our vendor, where you can type our vendor number in or just drop down the list here and you can choose the vendor. So in this case we're going to do Astral Pools. Select your name from your employee list as the one doing the purchase order and that you have approval to do so. Make sure you tick that little box there. Date of the purchase order, it generates as today's date, but you can change that by clicking on the calendar here and entering a new date. The memo, you may want to name your orders just for easy reference. So let's say in this case we're going to do a Feb order. You can see the transaction number will be generated. Now all we need to do, you've got your subsidiary and your location down here. Your currency is all generated for you. All we need to do is just go straight down to our items list. So your items list, you can do a number of different ways to search for that item. You can either enter in the item code, what the actual item starts with, so you can see there the V25, or if you're wanting to search just for the virons, you can do the percentage viron, and that will come up. And we'll just click on there. So that's a number of different ways you can go with your item, or if you're not too sure, click on the little here, your list, and this will give you all your list of the items that you have in your system. Okay, you can type up here for a search word, click search. There's no matching there, so what we need to do is make sure we get again the percentage, click search, and that'll give you the results of everything with the word viron in it. So let's click that one, that's the right one we want. Our vendor's Astral. Let's say we're going to order 2 here. You see there, prices come across, GST. Just make sure that there's no other fields that we need to fill out. You can, if you're going to have it for a customer, you can put the customer's job number on there. You can relate it to an asset, either a transaction or a task there. But we're just ordering for the benefit of needing this equipment in stock. We click add. You can go through add any other items in here, but we're just going to look at 2 of these for us now. That's all we need to do. You can see the summary up there with the costs, and we can just click on save. So you can see here, all completed, all done. You got your purchase order there. We can go from here, we can email that to our vendor, we can print it out, and we can do it what we need to do. Okay, so that's all we need to do to complete a purchase order, and it's as simple as that. Thank you very much.